Hello there everyone, let's get started with Mavic Mini Combo Pack unboxing. The Mavic Mini from DJI is a compact drone that provides professional quality results, and it is the smallest one in Mavic Mini series. These are some specifications on the box. 249 gram with a battery is the unique feature of this. We'll discuss the other features later. Now you can see there are a couple of instruction manuals including quick start guide and your safety and warranty related stuff. In the next package we have batteries. Here we have 3 and they are lithium-ion batteries with 7.2 volts at 2400 mAh power. So we get higher voltage at 7.2 volts. Also, maximum flying time for one battery is around 30 minutes. Next, you can see a larger package which contains the propeller guards. In order to ensure the protection of propellers, you can use them. Moreover, it provides better landing protection, increase the visibility of your DJI, and it helps to deflect the drone after a collision. So now we have the most interesting package. According to the DJI, this is a waterproof holder. As you all can see, there are 3 major components. First of all, you can see the battery charger. It provides facility to charge your 3 batteries at once. There are 3 indicators to show the battery level while charging, and there is one USB connector. Now we have another box containing several packages. In the first package, it contains one extra set of joysticks which comes under controller. We will show you the controller later on. Then you can see a small mini grey Phillips head screwdriver. And then we have 2 USB cables which can be used to charge the batteries. Apart from that, there are a couple of connectors here, kind of proprietary square type of micro USB cable. Also, here we have the Apple Lightning port USB Type-C and regular micro USB. 3 other covers are here and they are extra sets of propellers. Actually, we have 6 propellers, so that's gonna be 3 sets. Now we have the controller and it is pretty similar to other Mavic type controllers. As you all can see, there's a small sticker with set of instructions. Now we have antennas on the top and we should move them upward. And these are the typical arms and you can put your cable wrap around over to plug it into your phone. And 2 joysticks are there and the cooling vents are on the top. Now you can see the photo button and the video button. Finally, we have the most amazing thing and it is the Mavic Mini. Wow, this is really tiny and it is really small. First, we have to fold the rear arms or the front arms from the rear out to the front and then rotate the other 2 down. And this is the camera cover or the gimbal guard. Make sure to remove it before power on your drone. The camera is 2K with pitch roll and yaw accesses. It keeps your video very stable. Now we have the battery locator. We can put one inside this. There we have the connectors where battery connects. To function and communicate with the drone, you have to download DJI Fly mobile app via Play Store or App Store. Now let's see how it works. There's a power button on right hand top corner. Give a short press and a long press respectively. Now the controller power on with a beep sound. Then it will indicate the battery level. Then power on the drone to fly. To support with the function of the drone, there are 2 IR sensors and 1 optical flow sensor. Thank you very much for watching. Click the bell icon to subscribe our YouTube channel, The Bird Eye.